Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like a quick video. I'm going to run into CVS. I'm here in the parking lot. And I'm just going to get some free Pampers today. Yeah, well actually Huggies. Free Huggies today. So I'm going in here. Once I get in the store, I'll let you know exactly how the breakdown goes. Let's get started. Free Huggies today. You know, little baby had a baby, so I'm stacking up on Huggies and Pampers. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is buy this, use this buy one, get one free coupon for the Babe Ruth. Our machine, I'm ready. Our machine is down. It's been down forever, so I have to get something small so I can get my coupons printed. So I'm going to start doing that first. Okay, so this week's pamper deal is on Huggies. The Huggies are 2 for $20. Spend $30, get a $10 extra care buck. So I'm gonna actually get 4 packs of Pampers, and I have these coupons, which I'll show you when I get to the back. But I'm gonna buy 4 packs of Pampers. They're 2 for $20. I'll spend $40, so I get $10 back. I have my coupons and my CVS coupons that I'll show you in a minute. So I'm gonna get the size 1s because little baby is out of size 1s. Like, I don't know how, but he only got a little bit of size 1, so I'm gonna get all size 1. And I'll show you the exact breakdown when I get to the back. So I'm done in CVS. This is what I'm grabbing. Again, this week the Huggies are on sale, 2 for $20. And if you spend $30, you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck back. So I have 4 packs of Pampers. 4 packs of Huggies. So these are gonna be $40. I have 2 coupons. These coupons work on these Huggies. So out 40, I'm gonna take $6 out. That's gonna be 40. That's gonna be 34. And then I have a let me see. I have a 3 off 20 on my card and a 4 off 18. So I'm going to take additional $7 off. That's going to leave me with $29 out of pocket. Then I have another 3 off 2 coupon for the second set of Huggies. So that's going to leave me at $26. $26. Then I have this $10 extra buck. That's going to leave me $16. And then I have this $3 extra buck. That's going to leave me at $13. So $13 out of pocket. And then I'm going to receive a $10 extra care buck back, making my out-of-pocket $3 for all 4 packs of Pamper. But wait, it gets better. Fetch Rewards has a rebate on the app for $5 back when you buy any pack of Huggies Snug and Dry. So that's going to make my whole transaction free, plus a $2 and something cent money maker. I'm so excited. Little baby gonna have so many Pampers. Yes. Let's go. Off to the register. Alright, so my next transaction, I'm gonna roll the $10 extra care buck that I got back from the diapers. And I'm gonna roll it into this transaction. Honey, when I say I need some lashes, I need some lashes. I'm all out of lashes. I can't dare be on camera without any lashes. So these lashes are spend $12, get $4 back. I think these, one of them are 16. Let me see. I think these are 16. These Kiss Lash Mink. And then these, I want to say, are $6.99. So that's going to be about $24 out of pocket, $22 out of pocket, something like that. And I'll get $4 back. I really don't care about what I spend on lashes because, well, I only like certain kind, and I like the Ardell and I like the Kiss. So I'll get $4 back on those. But I'll have my $10 extra buck back. So I'll probably spend about $12 out of pocket. Okay, so this Glad Warmer coupon, I always forget to use this coupon. I always let it go to waste, but not this week, honey. I'm using my Glad coupon. So this coupon is buy one Glad plug-in scented warmer and get one. Well, it's actually get it free. So I bought 2 of them. So I got 2 of them. And then I'm using at CVS. You can use a coupon on a free item if they haven't changed it. So I'm using this $1 off any 2 Glade products. Okay, so I'm gonna see if that coupon works for these items, and so it'll cover that $1, cover my out of pocket, because these are $3.39 a piece, so that's about $6.80. The coupon only takes off $2, so I have $1.39 out of pocket for each one, and then I'm using this $1 off coupon, so it'll leave me about $1 out of pocket for each one. All right, now I'm ready to go to the register. All right, so I'm out of the I was finna say the Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm out of CVS and I got my Huggies for little baby. I got 4 packs of Huggies. Now this is how it all panned out. I got 4 packs of Huggies. Let me make sure y'all can see this good. I got 4 packs of Huggies. All right, after all my Huggies rang up, again, there were 2 for $20. These are the, let me put it right here in the light. All right, so those are all my Huggies. These are the coupons that were applied. So I used 2 $3 off coupons. I showed you that. The $3 off 2 came off. That was on my card. The 3 off 20 baby care, the 3 off 18, both of those stacked, of course, because I spent $20 in Huggies diapers, so that's why I did it both ways. Like, that's why I bought 4 of them, because so I can use both of those coupons. One was about to expire, so I didn't want it to expire. I walked into CVS with a $10 extra care buck, so I used that. And I also had a $3 extra care buck from last year for my beauty bucks. So it took off $13. My subtotal out of pocket after everything was taken off was $12. $12. All right, I received a $10 extra care buck back, making my out of pocket $2. But that ain't it. Fetch Rewards gave me back $7.50. Y'all hear me? $7.50. So that make my out of pocket free plus a $2.51 money maker. Who better? Who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Paschen. Free Huggies. 4 packs of Huggies for free. All right. After this deal, I used that $10 extra care buck and I rolled it into my next deal. Let me show you what I got. All right, so my next transaction was these 2 Glade warmers. I showed you the coupons that I had in the clip from me coupon at the Dollar Tree. Again, I always throw those coupons away, and I just got tired of throwing them away. So it was a free plug-in warmer, so I used that. These were on sale, 2 for $6. These Lash Couture, they were on, well, they wasn't really on sale. They were $16 and something cents. If you spent $12 on Ardell, you got $4 back. These 2 Dove gently exfoliating bars. We're running out of soap, surprisingly. I can't believe it, but we are. We're running out of Dove soap. So each one of these boxes were $4.39, so $8 and about 80 cents for 4 bars of soap, which is really not a good well, deal. But I didn't want to let my 75 cent off Dove coupon expire, so I used that. All right, so this is how it all panned out for this one. Hold on, let me find the receipt. All right, so this is the receipt for this transaction. I got 2 Glade warmers. One rang up $3.39. The other one was supposed to be free, but I guess I had 71 cents left minus 30. I guess that's 40 cents for the second one. So $3.39 plus about 40 cents for the second one. Now, the $1 off 2 Glade products, the computer rejected that one. They were like, honey, you got two free items. You ain't finna get money off the free items. But in reality, it was supposed to work. But she told me the third coupon didn't work because I didn't have a third item. So basically, I would needed to have maybe attached the second coupon to 2 more Glade warmers, and I would have got $1 off. I wasn't on that, so I just took the $1 off coupon back. So that was for the Glade. For the Kiss, they were $16.29 again, and the Dove were $4.29 a piece. These are my 2 coupons for the Dove, 75 cents off each bar of soap. I had the $1. What was the $1 from? The free ones, the free coupon. It took a total of $2 off. So it took one coupon took off $2. The other coupon must only took off $1, which that should have been another $2 coupon too. I don't know why they only took off $1, but it is what it is, I guess. I had a 2 off 6 body wash, so it took $2 off the Dove soap. I had the $10 extra care buck that I rolled from my last transaction into this transaction. And then my subtotal came up to $13.37 out of pocket. Now, my out of pocket is kind of high because these were $16 by themselves, right? Yeah, these were $16 by themselves. So $13 out of pocket is okay. Again, I like buying lashes that, well, if they cost a lot, it's okay. I like lashes, so I get a couple of sets in this one, so I think that's a great deal. I received a $4 extra care buck back from these transactions, and I took that $4 extra care buck and I rolled it into my next transaction, which was these mink lashes from Ardell. Again, I'm stocking up on lashes, so when they go on sale, I really try to grab as many as I can because they're a little expensive, well, without a extra care buck given back. So these Ardell Fault Mink lashes, let me see how much they were. $16.29. There's my $4 extra care buck from the previous deal. So my out of pocket for this was $12.29. I didn't receive an extra care buck back from my mink lashes, but again, it's better than paying full price. All right, so that's how all my transaction went. Free Huggies. The other transactions were pretty much, let me see, 13 minus 4, so I spent $9 out of pocket for the warmers and the lashes and the Dove soap. I spent $9 out of pocket for that. I took $4 and I rolled it into this transaction. So I think I had a good trip at CVS. Now, I probably won't. I probably will actually be going back to CVS to do more deals this week. I just really ran in there to get the Huggies because I didn't really want to wait till later on, because then they might not have well, the size that I need. Little baby needs size 1. He's low on those. He's still a newborn, but you know, I just probably gave away the size 1s. I don't know, but so I re-upped him on size 1s. I need to go back in there and get him 2s and 3s, so I'll be doing some more CVS hauls this week probably. But for right now, that's what I got from CVS. I had a great coupon and trip at CVS. It is so beautiful in Chicago today. It is so beautiful. Y'all see that? It's just beautiful. The sky's blue, the sun is out. It's just a beautiful day in Chicago. All right, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I want you to comment what you got from the Dollar Tree. Not the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. I'm so used to doing Dollar Tree. I need you to comment and let me know what you got from CVS this week. That was a great deal. Also, run out there and get your free Huggies, honey. Free Huggies. Thank you all for watching. Heck you know, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.